Casement Windows Smithtown, NY, offers a variety of options for homeowners looking to enhance their property's aesthetic and energy efficiency. With a focus on energy-efficient casement windows, Smithtown residents can enjoy reduced energy bills and increased comfort. Casement window repair in Smithtown is essential for maintaining the longevity and functionality of your windows, ensuring they continue to operate smoothly and efficiently. Custom casement windows in Smithtown provide a personalized touch to any home, allowing homeowners to choose from a range of materials, styles, and finishes. Vinyl casement windows Smithtown are a popular choice due to their durability and low maintenance requirements. For those seeking a more traditional look, wood casement windows Smithtown offer timeless elegance and natural insulation properties. Aluminum casement windows Smithtown are ideal for modern homes, offering sleek lines and a contemporary appearance. Double-glazed windows Smithtown provide superior insulation, reducing heat loss and noise pollution. Casement window replacement Smithtown is a cost-effective way to upgrade your home's appearance and energy efficiency. Casement windows Smithtown NY are available in various styles and materials, ensuring there is an option to suit every budget. Modern casement windows Smithtown combine cutting-edge design with advanced technology, providing both style and functionality. Casement window hardware Smithtown is essential for ensuring smooth operation and security. Smithtown window screens are an important addition to any casement window, providing protection from insects while allowing fresh air to circulate. Insulated windows Smithtown NY offer enhanced thermal performance, keeping your home comfortable year-round. Window maintenance Smithtown is crucial for preserving the appearance and functionality of your casement windows. Casement windows Smithtown offer a wide range of products to meet the needs of local homeowners. Smithtown window contractors are experienced in all aspects of casement window installation and repair, ensuring a professional finish. Window manufacturers Smithtown NY produce high-quality products designed to withstand the local climate. Casement window design Smithtown focuses on creating aesthetically pleasing and functional windows that complement any home style. Installation cost Smithtown windows can vary depending on the materials and features chosen, but investing in quality windows can provide long-term savings. Window benefits Smithtown NY include improved energy efficiency, increased property value, and enhanced curb appeal. Casement window features Smithtown include options such as double glazing, low E coatings, and custom finishes. Window options Smithtown NY cater to a variety of tastes and budgets, ensuring every homeowner can find the perfect solution. Casement window solutions Smithtown provide tailored advice and services to meet the unique needs of each client. Casement window services Smithtown NY encompass everything from initial consultation and design to installation and ongoing maintenance. Smithtown casement window installation is carried out by skilled professionals who ensure a seamless and efficient process. Energy-efficient windows Smithtown are an excellent investment for reducing energy consumption and lowering utility bills.